Daddy.
Hey, William, go get Daddy.
Is Mimi not gonna do it now?
Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy.
You gonna body slam Daddy? Or you gonna dance on the blanket chest?
You're good dancing. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I was out of the camera room. Go try again, buddy. Get Daddy. Go get Daddy.
Here, go over here. You want to turn this on?
Hey, William.
Oh, William. Can you talk to the fan? Can you talk to the fan?
William, can you tell Mommy what sound the fan makes? What does the fan do? Good job.
Yeah, talk to the fan. You getting Dad now?